This is a Home Pfaff 6091, and I'm just going to show you that everything's working. And then we're going to change the needle. There's nothing wrong with this needle, so I'm not going to actually put a new one in. So this, you have to put the needle bar in high position. This doesn't require a screwdriver, just a finger tighten. So we loosen it, pull the needle out. Now if we look at this home machine needle, there's a flat spot that goes to the back, and then the other side is rounded. So we put the flat side to the back, hang on to it firmly place it in the needle bar, tighten it, make sure all of our thread is in place. We thread the needle from front to back. And then just to show that I did it correctly,